Asana, a complete review and tutorial. Introduction. Asana is a widely popular project management platform designed to streamline team collaboration and task management. Launched in 2011, it has become a go-to tool for businesses of all sizes, offering features that cater to everything from small personal projects to enterprise-level workflows. With a focus on simplicity, flexibility, and efficiency, Asana has garnered praise for helping teams stay organized, meet deadlines, and boost productivity. Asana has been loved by millions of users in the leading organizations around the world like Adobe, NerdWallet, Merck, Johnson & Johnson, Clear Channel Outdoor, Affirm, and many more. Key features. Asana is packed with features designed to enhance team productivity. Here's a breakdown of its core functionalities. Project management. At the heart of Asana is its task and project management system. Users can create projects, add tasks, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. Subtasks and dependencies make it easier to break down complex workflows into manageable pieces. Track work from start to finish, so every team stays in sync and on schedule to hit their goals. From status updates to project timelines, you can coordinate every moving piece. Workflows and automations. To save time on repetitive tasks, Asana allows users to set up custom rules and automations. For example, tasks can automatically move to a new column when marked complete or trigger notifications for overdue assignments. Create processes that run themselves, so teams can make an impact faster. Seamlessly manage work across departments with automated rules, templates, and more. Collaboration tools. Asana shines in team collaboration, offering features like task comments, file attachments, and real-time notifications. The inbox consolidates all updates, mentions, and status changes, ensuring teams stay informed without relying on endless email chains. Work better in one shared space. Find all your team's work, plans, conversations, docs, and more in one place. So you can collaborate no matter where you are. Integration capabilities. Asana integrates with over 200 apps, including Slack, Zoom, Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, and Zapier. These integrations ensure seamless workflows by allowing teams to access their favorite tools within the platform. Goals and reporting. Focus on what matters by connecting every project and portfolio to company objectives. Then stay on target with real-time reporting dashboards. Resource management. Get the visibility you need. Use time tracking data to plan accurate timelines, view and adjust workloads in real time, and stay on track to achieve your objectives. Admin and security. Get peace of mind with enterprise-grade security and governance, so you can confidently deploy and manage Asana across any organization, no matter how large. Control access. Make sure only the right people can log in. Secure your workspace with extra layers of protection. Add two-factor authentication, password requirements, and more to protect your company's work. Manage permissions. Right-size permissions to protect company data. With permission levels and admin controls, you can give users the access they need while keeping specific information and settings off limits. Protect your data. Flexible data management to help you meet global, regional, and industry regulations. Stay in control of critical information so you and your customers can rest easy. Mobile app. The Asana mobile app mirrors the functionality of its desktop counterpart, making it easy to stay productive on the go. Users can create tasks, check updates, and collaborate with team members anytime, anywhere. Pricing and plans. Asana offers a variety of plans to suit different needs. Personal plan. It is free and is suitable for individuals and small teams looking to manage their tasks, supporting up to 15 users with basic task management features. Starter plan. It is suitable for growing teams that need to track their project's progress and hit deadlines. This plan is at $6.92 per user, per month if billed annually, and $8.50 if billed monthly. Advanced plan. It is suitable for companies that need to manage a portfolio of work and goals across departments. This plan is at $15.74 per user, per month if billed annually, and $19.21 if billed monthly. Strengths of Asana. Ease of use. Asana's intuitive design ensures minimal training is required to get started. Versatile views. Multiple project views cater to different workflows and preferences. Collaboration. Real-time updates and communication tools foster team coordination. Customizability. Features like custom fields and automations allow teams to tailor Asana to their needs. Scalability. Asana grows with your business, accommodating teams of all sizes. Extensive integrations. The ability to connect with other apps makes it a central hub for productivity. User interface and design. Asana's user interface is one of its standout features. The dashboard is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even for first-time users. It offers multiple views, list, board, timeline, and calendar, allowing teams to visualize projects in the way that best suits their workflow. Drag-and-drop functionality, color-coded tasks, and custom fields enhance user experience, making it simple to manage even complex projects. The onboarding process is seamless, with helpful prompts and tutorials guiding new users through setting up their first project. Whether you're a tech-savvy manager or a novice exploring project management tools, Asana's interface ensures minimal learning curve while maximizing usability. Areas for improvement. Pricing for small teams. The jump from the free plan to paid plans can be steep for smaller teams. Complexity for beginners. While intuitive, the wealth of features can feel overwhelming for users new to project management tools. Limited offline access. Asana requires an internet connection for most functions, which could be a drawback in low connectivity environments. Comparison with competitors. When compared to other project management tools like Trello, Monday.com, and Jira, Asana stands out for its balance of simplicity and functionality. Asana versus Trello. Trello's simplicity is appealing for small teams, but Asana's advanced features make it a better choice for larger projects. Asana versus Monday.com. Both offer robust features, but Asana's user interface is more intuitive, especially for beginners. Asana versus Jira. Jira is preferred for software development teams, while Asana is more versatile across industries. Who should use Asana? Asana is suitable for a wide range of users. Small teams. The free plan is perfect for startups or individuals managing straightforward projects. Growing businesses. Premium and business plans offer tools to manage more complex workflows and larger teams. Enterprise organizations. The enterprise plan ensures robust security and admin controls for large-scale operations. Conclusion. Asana is a powerful and versatile project management platform that excels in streamlining workflows, enhancing collaboration, and boosting productivity. Its intuitive design, rich feature set, and scalability make it an excellent choice for teams across industries. While there's room for improvement in pricing and offline functionality, Asana's benefits far outweigh its limitations. Whether you're a freelancer, a startup, or an established organization, Asana provides the tools you need to stay organized, meet deadlines, and achieve your goals. Give it a try and experience a smarter way to work. For more information, visit asana.com.